Now let's look how to create cover pages, profile pages for your social profiles. Okay, for this we will create several components. This one is a main image and this one is a square logo for your profile pictures. First of all, how to create this logo. This is very simple. We had this logo before and just recreated it. If you see, I created all these previews and many of logos are round and they are cropped as round logos. So when I just took this logo from probably Google or Facebook, I don't remember, yes, from this step, as you see, this perfect sound is very close to the borders of this logo, and if I want to crop it to the circle, it won't look good. So for this I made this logo smaller. Let me show you this once again. I go to Google Banners and I get this logo. I copy it. I paste it here. Now let's look how it's seen at my profile pictures. As you see, it's cropped, so I don't like it. So especially for these, I made the logo smaller. So I will hide. So there are two logos and I inserted this one, I pasted this one just right now, so I make it invisible again. And I have to make this logo smaller to fit our circles in profile pictures. Okay, and I have this cover image. As you understand, I use this cover image at all my covers for different social networks and for some posts for social networks, and I just inserted these to all the formats that we have. You can find some descriptions, some pictures that show you how it looks at social network, so you can understand how this works. This is for Facebook, for Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and Pinterest. I didn't post here stories or something like this because we have a separate lesson for them. Actually, when you create stories, usually you want to create them unique, and this page is more for updating your social network pages. You have a new logo, you just have a new offer or something that you want to put at your cover image, and you can do it right here. So if you see, these images in LinkedIn are very wide, so in this case I don't see the letters, I don't see the title, and probably if you use LinkedIn you have to create a separate image for it, very long. Let's do it. So I will create a separate cover for very wide images like for LinkedIn. Actually, I don't have to make all the image wide, I just have to put things inside in a different composition. So I detach this instance, I make this logo smaller, make this smaller too. I name it wide. Make it component. And I will paste it to my LinkedIn. Now it looks better. And I can do the same with the all white images that I don't like with the old cover image. So this is how we can create a lot of different profile pictures and cover images for all the social networks. And if you change just these 2 or 3 components, you can download all the images for your social networks, for your accounts from this file. To make it even more handy, I would make these things components and make a special place for its copies where I can download all of them. So I make each of the social network covers a component, then I create a duplicate and just put it somewhere here. And when I need them, I just select all of them and I can easily export them. If I do it from here, as you understand, I select different bigger frames, but I want to select only image frames. So that's why I make each of them component and I put its duplicate into a separate place. Like this. So after you finish all this work, you will have all your images for your social networks ready and you can easily change them if you need in a matter of minutes.